Welcome to another episode of Uneatly Tae. In today's video, we will be creating a DIY Valentine wreath. In this video, all items are from the Dollar Tree. This green garland I purchased during the Christmas time at Dollar Tree. They had a lot of it, so I grabbed enough to last all year long. And I'm wrapping my heart frame wreath with the garland. And as I'm wrapping, I'm trying to make sure I stay kind of close so that there don't be any type of gaps. Now I'm getting ready to apply my pink roses that I purchased from Dollar Tree. I have different tints of roses. I have some soft pink, some more medium pink, and some darker pink. I'm going to apply those around the whole heart wreath itself. If you're new here, I am Tae of Uneatly Tae. Welcome and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode. On my channel, I do DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will always know when I upload my latest video. This year, everyone, I am just so obsessed with the pink and the different types of pink. This year, my whole home is based around different shades of pink, as all of you know, and a little hint of teal. Hopefully, I'll be able to give all of you a home tour of Valentine's edition sometime in February. I would love for you all to see all my DIYs and how everything looks, but I am really feeling the pink this year. Now we're getting ready to transform this home sign. It's a regular silver metal sign, but I'm getting ready to add a fresh coat of paint and give it a little sparkle. After you apply your glitter and your paint, you'll let it dry, and then you will use some hot glue and apply it to your wreath. I love how everything turned out. It looks so good. I love all the roses. I even love how the light reflects off the pink roses. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.